one of the aspects of cleaning is, of course, of caring. As Samantha said, it's not only removing dirt, but creating space. When we learn to work with love and with devotion, with attention to the detail, to the small things, that is when cleaning becomes caring. And the minute that we start caring for a space, we don't only remove dirt, we really are able to create space for something new. And what do we want to create space for? And who do we invite to fill that space? And this is important, that we become aware that, of course, there is a whole invisible world around us that is peopled or alive with beings that are there and that are willing and really ready to help us, but they are waiting for us to ask us. They are waiting for us to ask them to help us. So cleaning, this gift of the activity of transforming, untidiness into tidiness, dirt into cleanliness, that is a gift that we can give not only to our homes, to our families. If we become aware of what we clean with, it's a gift to nature. It is also a gift to the spiritual world, because we are able to create spaces for them in which they can become active.